Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I'm learning to live creatively in a small space so I can travel the world, experience all that I can, and pursue my hobbies. Today we are making a little, just ignore my kitchen, it's really messy. We are making a little dining room area, and it's gonna be right in the center of both my tea and then hopefully in the future my crafting area, which will be right above here. But I want something that's central and feels productive and feels kind of cozy, and I can also enjoy a meal with a friend as well. So I'm going to be building some things, and I am not a great builder. Really great knowing where things should go after they're built. So we'll just see how this goes. Please wish me luck. Assembly preparation. 1. What are you doing? After building all my furniture, I had a little bit of help to hang up some things. I wanted to change my blinds out since Floof pushes them to be broken. So I have these sunproof blinds that are one solid unit that she cannot break. I'm also hanging up this beautiful stained glass that's very heavy. Okay, so it is day 2 on Project Dining Room, and I have a couple of things going on. I have new blinds, yay, super excited about that. I did put up a beautiful piece of stained glass, which I really love. I really like that it's round, it really mimics the table that's right in the center, and I built the table. I'm super proud of that because I'm terrible at all of those things. So I built the table, did the blinds, and I did the beautiful stained glass that is there. Also, the colors are really appropriate for the room, so that was a really good find. Wayfair, weirdly, has a bunch of beautiful stained glass if you want to take a peek. I did want to hang it from the very top, but unfortunately the blinds inhibit that. But let me show you something. All right, so these guys are pull down blinds. I don't know how to make it go down in not increments yet, but I will learn that skill. But as you can see, there's no blinds for Floof to try to look out the window and break all the little like things there. So there's a bunch of little broken things earlier, and now they are Floof proofed, as well as when I want to watch movies and things in here, it will be nice and dark. I typically don't really have a need to have it dark in here unless I'm watching, a show or a movie or whatever. And so these will come in handy for that. But otherwise, I really like them. I wasn't sure about that silver at the very top because that's what makes them kind of like sunproof, or they block the sun. But I actually don't hate it. And I like that it is mounted higher than the previous one. So I think it looks a little bit more streamlined. Okay, so previously to putting up that beautiful piece of stained glass, I didn't realize how dirty my windows are. So we're gonna clean that with a little bit of Method glass cleaner and one of these like car cloth doodads. The next thing we're gonna do is reorganize my plant situation, and I will show you the weakness. Well, there's two weaknesses in my apartment, but this is one of them. Okay, so we're gonna hang him up. He can stay in the center. These are going up as well. These are called kokodamas. They're really beautiful. He's staying here, but take a peek, take a little gander. So here's my little planted plant. Floof likes to eat the bottom, so it'll be good to rescue him. What is this, you ask? Ah, well that would be the hole that's unnecessary. It is on each side, and this thing like goes around, like this thing can just come right off. So I have no idea why this exists, why it would make it easier for you to adjust this heater, but it's done. So now I think I'm gonna put some books here, clean this all up, and I wanna replant him in a new pot. So here I'm just giving my plants a drink. This is a kokedama. It is a moss ball. It's a replacement for a pot. Instead of a pot, you have this beautiful moss covering the root system. If anyone has any advice about citrus trees, I would love some. She has lost a couple of her leaves, and yeah, I see a new lemon coming. She is giving me lemons. I just want to make sure I'm taking good care of her. So if anyone has any tips, please let me know. So I've decided before I put anything down on this area here, I wanted to put up my little plant situation in the corner. I'm going to use the Saturn looking planter to put in the center, and then next to it I have this really cute little bell, and the kokedamas are gonna hang by some fishing line. The concept is I want it to look kind of galactic but planty, but we'll see how it looks. I did have to use the stud finder for the bigger pieces. Okay, so I'm finished with the mobile, and now I'm going to cover those super weird holes in the radiator cover with books just to kind of camouflage it and put some plants back where they belong. This is one of my favorite little ceramics in my house. The top is glazed and the bottom is unglazed, so you can light the match from the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching. I loved how this project turned out, and I proved to myself that I could build basic furniture. Hey, you gotta learn sometime. If you're interested in these types of videos, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye.